4 days ago, I told you guys that I invested money in the crypto market, and Algo was one of those coins that I invested in. Well, just today, Algo has absolutely exploded in price, just like we expected. Now, the question is from here, what's going to happen, right? Is this the movement? Is it going to keep going up? Is Bitcoin going to keep dropping? There's a lot of question marks here, but let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to tell you why I'm super, super bullish on Algo, and everything is going exactly the way I hope so. Let's go ahead and like and subscribe, and we're going to dive right in. This is the video right here. As you guys can see, my first money transfer since 2017. I go over here in detail, so make sure you guys watch this video as to why I am so bullish on Algo. I've also done two full in-depth videos prior to this one, just to give you an idea of how incredibly bullish this coin is. Now, on Discord, these are the two main things that really got me excited about Algo 4 days ago. The first thing is we have this log trend line that was established in the daily chart, and it started way back in April. And if you extend it out, you can see how well this trend line was respected. Well, we got above it, which is a really good show of strength. And obviously, as you saw, we have now exploded up from this log trend line. And the second thing I saw is that we just got above the 200 moving average on the Bitcoin pairing. As you guys know, the 200 moving average is an extremely important level that I'm always looking at my analysis. So we got above that. We got above the trend line. To me, that was a prime time, and it was ready to go. So let's go ahead and look at Algo and what we're doing right now. As you guys can see, this is the overall chart of Algo. Let's go to the Bitcoin pairing. I'll show you guys the log trend line. All right, there she is. You guys can see log trend line came up here, retested, accelerated to the upside. Okay, this is what we expected to see from this movement. This is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted to see on this. Now let's go ahead and zoom out and find out where are our resistance levels, because obviously it's a massive explosive level, but where do we really have resistance? We have some resistance right here, and there's definitely a case to be made that this could act as a resistance right here. So essentially around 4,500 satoshis over to 5,300 satoshis, but that's not the level I'm really looking at. And the reason why, we've already tested this level before. Instead, I think our primary area that we're going to find the most resistance is right here at this 2-week breaker. So between 6,000 Satoshi and 7,000 Satoshi. So on the Bitcoin pairing, that's where I'm looking. Now on the US dollar pairing, it gets even more interesting because let's go ahead and dive right in. And as you guys can see, this is the overall chart. We have this weekly support. It was back tested on the downside, acted as resistance, got above. We now have confirmed this as a support level, and now we are off to the races. Okay, now there is other charts that have more price history, but there's really not that much price history, guys. The important thing here is that we essentially are in price discovery mode, and this is where altcoins tend to really take off. So you guys can see we're right testing around, messing around with alt discovery and price discovery, and I think we're really going to accelerate because this 12-hour block right here has been the level that has held down the price ever since February of this year. This is like what, 7 months of consolidation, building up strength to bust above. If you think we build up strength for 7 months to get above and only go 13% from this level, you are out of your mind, guys. And obviously is your first bull run, because like this is incredibly bullish. All right, so I'm really happy what I see on Algo. I think we have tremendous potential, and that's why I don't think this initial level of the 4,000 to 5,000 Satoshi is going to stop us. I think we're going to continue to the upside vastly higher than this right here. I'm not even 100% sure if this is going to stop us, and if we do get above, like, guys, this could really accelerate. So I think Algo has a tremendous amount of potential. I don't even know how much, but what I am doing is I'm going to be holding on, strapping in, and getting ready for a wild ride. Now, if you want to get an idea of what my overall thoughts are, make sure to join the Discord, guys. Make sure to join the Discord. I do update on the Discord on all these different charts, and if you are a Patreon subscriber, you get inside exclusive information and get alerts for all these different coins. And I talk to you guys, answer questions, and all that cool stuff. So make sure you guys are a Patreon member. The information is in the description. And outside of that, I'm going to let you guys go. But Algo looks amazing. And I'm really excited to see what happens. So Have a good one, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Deuces, boys.